Okay, what we will be splicing now is 900 micron loose tube single mode fiber to an SC connector, SC APC connector from Diamond, using the following tools. Just to show first that this is again loose tube fiber, you saw that we've got the 900 micron secondary coating, the 250 micron primary coating, which is completely loose from the 900. So the first step actually is to load the boot. If we do not do this at this point, we will not be able to load it on at the end of the process. Second step, strip the 250 micron coating. When we look at this, before I clean this, we can see, if you look very closely against the light there, we've got the 900, then 250, and then you'll see the 125 disappear, obviously because we need a different color for the 125. Maybe you can see it now. What is very important is that the 900 and the 250 stops at exactly the same place. Because this is a loose buffer, all we have to do is effectively stretch it back into the fiber, like that. So, we need to clean the fiber, get it to squeak, and we know it's clean. Next step, we need to cleave the fiber. As with normal fiber, we need to make sure that our cleave length is precisely correct. By this, we must make sure that the 900 stops precisely on the edge of the clamping pad. This will give us a 5 mm cleave length. We'll press that. That will give us precisely a 5 mm cleave. Yes? We will load this into the fusion splicer, like so. Yes. The next step, we need to load the ferrule into the universal ferrule holder, like so. Remove the protection side of the pre-cleaved fiber and load this into the fusion splicer, like so. Oops, sorry. Get that? We'll close the windshield and press splice. This machine is set to pause so that it can give me cleave angle data and for me to retain some control. I'll press splice. There's some alignment for error correction on axis offsets. We get a splice result of 0.02. When we open the windshield, there will be a tension test to ensure that the splice is of good quality. We will release the 900 micron loose buffer side and transfer this to the splice protection tool. Close the right hand lid, remove the paper from the 3M protection, double-sided tape, and effectively we will close this around our splice, like so. This will hold on to the 900 micron loose buffer fiber. Once completed, we need to make sure that the crocodile connector or the crocodile part is closed around the 900 micron. Once that's completed, we can complete the process by inserting the SC housing into our tool. Remove the connector. This ferrule is keyed. It can only go in one particular way. So there's no possibility of inserting the connector or your APC connector in the incorrect way. Once that's done, all that remains to be done is for us to slide on the boot housing like so, and the connector is complete. With a real connector we will add a ferrule cap on afterwards. Thank you.